Hey guys, this is Ahaan, Mr. Games. So you know in the last video we made mac and cheese. I know that was yummy, but this time we're gonna make popcorn. If you like this video, pop the like button and make it turn blue. Hit that subscribe button and make the notification bell turn gold. Bells are gold? Who even said that? Yellow, I mean. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you would need this 2-minute microwave popcorn on the cob twin pack from, I think, Sprouts. Yeah. So this is corn. You need corn or something? Okay, next you need this popcorn seasoning, movie theater butter. That's all you need. So here it says microwave popcorn on the cob popping bag. So you need this side down. Do not pop before reading. Microwave popping instructions. So, okay, so first of all, it says here, insert popcorn into bag. So here's corn, and so here's the cobs. Keep it in the bag. And next one, it says fold bag shut. So how to fold bag shut is easy. So hello, incredible. So first you just shut the bag. I don't know how to do it. So my mom will help me with this. Yeah. So then now, after it's closed, you take this top part and fold it 2 times like this. Okay, so now it says microwave, put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. So let me open. I was about to fall. And then keep the bag. Okay, now wait for 2 minutes. Okay, there you go. So now my popcorn is ready. Ready. So let's see the results. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Okay, now, so next we have to get a big bowl like this and then put it into the bowl. Like that. So now you take the bag out, and then you take this movie theater butter, open the top, and you'll see there are 5 holes. So then you just sprinkle some on it, a little bit, just like 4 teaspoons. And then you take the bowl, and then you shake it like this. And it's popcorn seasoning. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now done. Now I'm gonna watch my movie theater and now I'm gonna watch a movie with my mom. So, bye. Make sure to put that like button and make it turn light blue. Okay, bye.